Question number 24. Which of the following features applies to methanogen bacteria? A, used in sewage treatment. B, obligate aerobes. C, the nucleus surrounded by nuclear envelope. D, photosynthetic. The methanogens are archaeobacteria, and they are used for the sewage treatment. Exactly. Yeah, they are bacteria, archaeobacteria, okay, that are releases the methane to the atmosphere, so we can make use of it and even to treat the sewage. It's not our point now to talk about the sewage treatment. It's a whole individual and independent topic, but just to link this to the sewage treatment process.